What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Now in today's video we are here at Lombard Hobbies. We're going to be doing a tour of this building and facility. There's not many tours here, so we're going to do it. We're going to go nice and slow and show you all the stock that they have. So you walk in, we got some books, locomotives here, and some Athearn locomotives, Walther's mainline cars, and a lot of nice stuff. Some train sets here. Those locomotives. A lot of stock. And it would take a long time to go through every model that's here, because there's many aisles to this. You can see they got some of the Cato cars down there, Metra, some nice Illinois Central Paducahs or Paducahs. Some intermodal containers back there. You can just see how far it goes down there. We got these nice road railers here from Bowser. Some nice CN ones here. This is all intermodal. Some Walther stuff here. You come along here, some O-gauge train sets. Some more train sets. These are an HO scale. Back on this side, it's a lot of stock. Some acrylics and paints. And then all these tangent models, which I believe all of them are tangent. More acrylics and paints. Got some Rapido locomotives up there, and some scale trains rolling stock. Some locomotives here, which are on display, and some more over here. There's a lot of stock here. If you're in the Chicagoland area, I highly suggest coming to this hobby shop. There's a lot of stuff. Books upon books. We got a little running layout here, an N scale and an HO scale. Wooden scenic stuff here. Some buildings up top from Walther's. More of this. We didn't even get to this aisle yet. Just a lot of stock. Now I know I'm going quite fast, but just to be honest, it would take years to go through everything that they have here. A lot of old Athearn stuff. I see this. I might get this. That's nice. Over here, buildings, whatnot. More buildings, a lot of Atlas stuff. We got these. Those are nice. Alright. I don't know if I'll get this because I did pre-order one from Train World, so you know what? I'm not going to get that. I did pre-order one from Train World. It's a lot of stock. In-scale track and train cars. There's more trains here. Stock back there. DCC systems. Couplers, wheels, whatnot.
Luckily it wasn't
stuff back here.
Still driving cars. Sure. It was kind of a blow.
You come back here. There's a lot of Atlas stock here. A lot of Walther's stuff. We got some Norfolk Southern Top Guns here, which look very nice. Coming around here. We got this building here, which I will need in the near future for my layout. A lot of Atlas stuff. There's a lot of train cars here and rolling stock and locomotives I didn't even know existed until I came here. In-scale stuff over here. In-scale buildings, track and rolling stock buildings, containers, all that in the back. A lot of nice in-scale models on display here. Track packs, train sets, car packs in the back. From Cato and other industries such as Bachman. Comes here. There's some model cars back there. And that's it. So it goes that way and this way. Now I'm gonna walk around here. I'm looking for stuff that I'm gonna buy. And there is a lot of stock here that I wish I had, but just there isn't the money there for that. This is nice. CHTT Union Pacific. That's nice. That is only $32. So it's nice. They got some CN stuff here. That's nice. But yeah, there's just a lot of stock Arrowhead model stuff. And I've never reviewed anything from Arrowhead models just because I don't model the era that they have. You can see here, kind of a mini review here. Arrowhead models box. It's nice, you just lift it off the tops, like so. And there's that piece of rolling stock. Here's packaging here. Beautiful model. I can get it back in the box there. So yeah, if you guys do want to get these, they're really cool community design hoppers. But I don't think I will ever be reviewing those. I do not model that era, so just kind of wanted to show you guys that a little there. They got these hoppers here, which look kind of nice, cement hoppers. I'm looking closer at the stuff that I might get. I'm looking in Athearn stuff, because if you guys know me, I love Athearn, so yeah. But I think we're good with this for right now, and I'm gonna keep looking. A lot of nice Intermountain stuff here, which if you guys don't see what I see some Union Pacific hoppers from Intermountain, which are $30. But yeah, guys, I will see you in my next video. That was the tour of Lombard Hobbies hobby shop. If you guys are new, make sure you guys smash that subscribe button, like this video, do all those things. No, my hair's a mess, but yeah, do all those things. Got these big CN Temple box in my hand. Look at that thing. It's heavy. $430. That's a lot of money. All right, so I'm in the car right now. I'm going to show you everything I recently got from Lombard Hobbies. So I got this modern water tower here, this kit. Then we got this modern guard shack building there. Got some glue. And some solvent for the decals, obviously. Then we got this here. So I had one of these tank cars in my hands earlier in the video, but I decided to just get a 3-pack if I can get that out of there. So those are nice. So yeah, 3-pack of those, which is taped, I think. So we'll review those later, but yeah. So yeah, guys, for real this time. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.